Facebook Live. Cameron Stewart calling in, and just out here at a new trade property in Te Atatu. Thought I'd do it. This is video one. Obviously prior to it's just settled today, so this is video one of four, so that you can see what it was like in the beginning right through to the end. So just bear with me. I'll just flip this camera around, and so this is a 6-bedroom 2-bathroom home. It's fibrolite exterior, big outside decking, big site, 830 square meters, so huge big decking area here, big backyard. Tile roof. So you've got a huge big area here, massive lounge. Oh look, we've had a tradesman already break a bottle, already damaging the place. Look at that. What did you break, mate? What was it? Look, he's already vandalising the place. So all these tiles will get ripped up. Obviously, that's looking out to the road. All the ceiling here is going to be all fixed. Yeah, this flooring is just really rough. Beautiful colour too. Just looking at the back here. So all this decking and stuff will get fixed. And we've got a gun painter in there, just working away. So you've got a big backyard. Obviously a great fence here for security, solid. Really keeps a lot of stuff in. So as you can see. So there'll be all new kitchen in here. As you can see, it's a beautiful colour. We've got the boys in here putting new doors, all new floors through here. New doors here, the master here. This is the laundry. As you can see, there's a big hole in the wall. As you can see, the floors are pretty distraught. So, 6 bedrooms, 2 bathroom, big house. Obviously, new bath over a shower there, etc. Good air conditioning. And then you just got your other bedrooms down there. So that's video one of the Te Atatu property. Watch the space, share my page. You'll see a lot of the projects that we have going on from start through to finish. You'll see the big changes that happen over here over the next few weeks. So I'm Cameron Stewart, and have a fantastic Friday afternoon. See you next time. How are we going, ladies and gentlemen? Cameron Stewart calling in here from the Te Atatu property here out in West Auckland and Te Atatu Peninsula. I just wanted to give you a bit of a progress video. This is video two. If you go back and watch video one, you'll see the first video. You'll see that we have progressed through a fair bit from the initial video. So just bear with me. I'll flip this camera around and I will show you what's been done thus far. So obviously the garage here is getting painted, sort of a grey coloured roof. The house roof's all been painted, it's all been repointed, all been refixed, and all of the fences have been water blasted and cleaned. Obviously they're going to be all fixed. So you can see the You can see the roof up there and the roof colour that's been sprayed on, so that's the colour of the roof there. As you can see down the side, it's a bit of a shambles here at the moment, but you can see the house is starting to slowly tidy up. We've got old mate here, the gun painter, just nailing it away. It's looking a hell of a lot better already. So I'll show you. So as you can see, all the ceiling's been the majority of the ceiling's been rejigged and refixed. New flooring and stuff in place. So we've got the stoppers in here. So she's a big living area. All the tile board, so this whole area here is all going to be tiled right through. So over here at the entrance here, still no tile board down, but there's going to be some tiles laid here. Tiles will be laid there. And obviously tiles will be laid all through here. There'll be a kitchen going into that gap there. A kitchen cabinet going into this area here, into that corner. And then there'll be like a breakfast bar goes through here, round through to there like that. And then obviously we've got tiles through to here, into the laundry. So that's great music. Obviously the bedrooms, we've all got double cupboards in each bedroom now. So each bedroom pretty much has a double cupboard. And they're all double rooms. Obviously you've got your bathroom, still there's jib in the way, but that's the bathroom there. Still got to be equilined and just wait for the plumber to turn up. So double cupboards in every room. So starting to come together. Once all the stopping's done. So this is 6 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, this house, so a very big house, big reno, but this is sort of the phase before it sort of really changes. Once the plaster is done and the painting's done, it's really, the next video you'll see a huge change because everything will be done. This is like the naked video really as such. Out the back here, I'll go out there in a minute. So we've got a doorway there. So that door wasn't there before, but that shuts off this part of the house. Look at that, it's not closing properly. And then you've got another room, another cupboard. And then going through here, this is the master bedroom. Your ensuite suites through there, that door there, through the other side. So just the bats are in the way there, but we've got the old mate here cleaning up, doing a good job. And then if we go around here, all this decking here is getting replaced. All this decking here is getting replaced. The railings are all good, they're getting painted. The rubbish has all been cleared out from under here. Obviously there was a lot of rubbish here before, all under there. So we've obviously got a broken window there, so that's got to be fixed. So the fences are obviously got to be all fixed up. This deck here, there's going to be a big deck here, that's going to be squared off from the corner of that right over here to the corner here and all the way down there, so that's all going to be redone, and there's going to be big stairs going right across to this corner. So that's the progress that's happening here. Obviously this is all getting framed out, that it wasn't to building code, so it's all got to get redone, but it's starting to slowly take shape. Next video you'll notice a big difference. It'll be finished, so I thought I'd just do a video now, and then you can sort of see down here there's going to be a clothesline, and we're going to plant like pebbles so that we'll put a clothesline off this fence here. All this here will get like nice pebbles or something. Yeah. So it's the 21st of September, I think. So that's the progress here in Atatu. We settled this on the 31st of August. So we're 21 days in. We're probably about 2 weeks off from completion. So next video you'll see the completed product. So I hope that helps or inspires or whatever. So have a great day, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Cameron Stewart signing out. Facebook Live, how are we doing? Cameron Stewart calling in here from Atatu. We have completed this property. It's been about a 2-month turnaround from start to finish. Been a big job, but what I wanted to do is show you the finished product. So if you scroll back down through my Facebook feed, you'll see video 1, 2 and 3. This is video 4 of the Atatu trade property. Just get on there and see the change from start to finish. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to spin this camera around. So as you can see, nice clear backyard now. All these decks are brand new. So huge big decks here. So it's really got some really good flow, this property. It's really come up nice. So what you walk down the side here, so you can see all new lighting. The roof's all been painted and refixed up, etc. So what we did here is new clothesline, put pebbles and paving stones, all new gardens. So the property's really looking quite good. I'll go inside here and I'll give you a bit of a show you around. So here's the laundry. Oh, better put that light back up. So in the cupboard here, a lot of storage here. So as you can see, it's all staged, looking really good now. All of the cupboards, all of the bedrooms have big double wardrobes. And then this is heading down to the back end of the house, so you've got the toilet. And then you've got the bathroom with the bath over a shower there, big vanity, big mirror cupboard. So 6 bedrooms this house, so it's a big home. So it's ready for its new family. So that's looking back towards the lounge, or the kitchen I should say. So there you go. Just shows you a bit of hard work can really make a big difference. So this is quite a big room actually. They're all double rooms. You know, 2 or 3 of them are extra big, but as you can see, they're all big double beds in here, and plenty of room. And as I said, all of these cupboards They've all been done. So this is walking down. So that's all the bedrooms down this end of the house. And then, so this is the dining kitchen area here. So you've got your all new ovens, dishwashers, kitchens. New fridge that goes with the house. And this is that's the front door there. And your superheater cupboard there. But as you can see, huge living area. Massive living area. Heat pumps been installed, all fully insulated. It's looking back towards the kitchen. And then this is looking out the front. It's looking at the front of the property. And all the deck out here is all new. It's all been painted. So if you go back on my videos in my feed, you'll see the change that's happened here. It's really, you know, quite different from what it was when we initially bought the place. So as you can see, it's looking pretty good. So, and then down this end of the house, so all big double rooms, as I said, and this is sort of the master suite. So looking really good, eh? So that goes out onto the deck there too. So really good flow. Really happy with the outcome. So hopefully that inspires and gives someone some ideas on what they can do. You know, this was probably a little bit longer renovation than most projects. Most projects would be sort of 4 to 5 weeks. This was a 6-week turnaround, just due to the size of it being a 6-bedroom. So anyway, I hope that inspires someone. Everyone watches the block. This is the real block. This is doing it in real life, not with fake numbers and all the rest of the stuff. So anyway, have a great day, guys. And my name is Cameron Stewart, and I'm from Get Into Property Limited. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.